In this question, it is given that a woman has a X-linked condition on one of her chromosomes. So this chromosome can be inherited by option A, only daughters. It is incorrect because if the woman carries an X-linked condition on one of her chromosomes, she can pass it to both sons and daughters and not just daughters. Option B, only sons. It is also incorrect because of the above stated reason. Option C, both sons and daughters. Now a woman has two X chromosomes and she can pass either one to her child. Sons inherit their X chromosome from their mother and Y chromosome from their father, and daughters inherit one X chromosome from each parent. So if the mother carries an X-linked condition on one of her chromosomes, she can pass that chromosome to both her sons and daughters. Thus, it is the correct option. Option D, only grandchildren. It is also incorrect because the X-linked condition is inherited directly from the woman to her children, not just to her grandchildren.